is our third speaker, Professor N. Ras Mohan Singh, Department of Chemistry, Manipur University.
That is the Lengsin Biriba. Reimagining the national vision have a topic. Mang the Yamna Pajawapamka, Tambigri, Kino, just people to get home now. I call it Kudimuna, Hangrabo Wapone. This 21st century has been referred to as knowledge century. In this knowledge century, education will play a very, very important role because now the most important resource on earth is human resource, and the currency of this 21st century will be the time. And in this knowledge century, education will play a very, very important role because education is the main key to unlock the main gate to civilization and modernization. Even the fate of a country is now being shaped in a classroom. If you see many revolutionaries in the whole globe, French Revolution, Mao Zedong's revolution, Lenin's revolution, Abraham Lincoln's revolution, then we will see that they use education as the main weapon. French revolution was quite successful because of the fact that they have the belief that pen is mightier than the sword. So education will play a very, very important role. Ngasigi whole globe there was 7.4 nearly billion population asigi 50 to 60% youth ni. Prithvi da khwaidagi masing yamasi China na oijargasu India ki youth ki population sina prithvi da khwaidagi yame. 2020 will fulfill Prime Minister Modi's vision of New India. Former ISR Minister Srimati Irani also said the new policy will pave the way for transforming India into a global educational powerhouse as envisioned by the Prime Minister. During the announcement of this NEP 2020, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar also said Cabinet under Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given approval to NEP 2020, which is very important as for 34 years there were no changes in education policy. Sahi kuntra marigi matungda neba malakliba anova education policies yam pajarisi. While welcoming the NEP 2020, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also said, I quote, "It is a remarkable day in the history of Indian education. India was in dire need of such a futuristic policy. It will play an unprecedented role in building up of new India." Unquote. While announcing this policy, Amit Khare, Secretary Higher Education said, I quote, "The government aims to increase the public investment in the education sector from the current 4.3% to reach 6% of GDP at the earliest." Unquote. Her Excellency Dr. Nazma Heptullah, Governor of Manipur, opened that the new education policy 2020 will certainly be a landmark in the history of education in India, for the policy is comprehensive, holistic, far-sighted, and will certainly play a pivotal role in India's future growth. Masida, Honorable Her Excellency Nazma Heptullah ki grand uncle se, late grand uncle Maulana Abul Kalam Azad se, one of the greatest leaders of Indian freedom movement and the first minister for education of independent India said, I quote, "Only through quality education we can produce committed, responsible, disciplined, well-integrated and socially sensitive citizens who will be the greatest assets of our country." Unquote. Yang Pajabane Sihana Panbiramba Maulana Abul Kalam Azad ki statements. Some salient features of this NEP 2020, I maroina higher education da kharehna focus tok jige. higher education significantly contributes to our sustainable livelihoods and economic development. As India moves towards becoming a global knowledge superpower, more young Indians will be attracted to aspire for higher education. NEP 2020 aims to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education, including vocational education, from 26.3% in 2018 to 50% by 2035, and that there would be only one regulatory body for higher education sector. Undergraduate education is to become more broad-based, multidisciplinary and holistic with flexible curricula, creative combinations of subjects, integration of vocational education, and multiple entry and exit points with appropriate certification. Students will get certificate after 1 year, advanced diploma after 2 years, bachelor's degree after 3 years, and bachelor's degree with research after 4 years. The choice-based credit system will be revised for instilling innovation and flexibility. Innovation now innovation is the mantra of the 21st century. 2007, the International Center for Theoretical Physics Italy, Trichy the Pangtokiba, G8 Forum na Laukukiba, important of education Marinaba, Tamama. That term is coined as knowledge triangle. Howji knowledge triangle has the period education. Leba Ama, Sakolagli, Sakotriba Leba, Sakolagli Leba, Sakolaba Leba, Kuting Mangna. Quite an important when signal the mantrashi, 20% rugi mantrashi. It is a knowledge triangle which consists of education, research, and innovation. Education, research, innovation. And higher education, not only for universities, but colleges also. Teaching and research have a component and is a Hadona than a Satkadon have. Yampaji, Aduka, Iroina, innovation have a concept of Kausuya Yatia. Undergraduate education is now also very, very important. Recently, we had discussed in Department, Director of Higher Education, so very recently, we had discussed about this NEP 2020. Recently, in this NEP, the fourth integrated program leading to BSc, BA, BEd degree has been introduced, giving emphasis to different pedagogies exposure like problem solving, experimental learning, and applications of knowledge in a teaching learning system. Thereby, it will help producing better quality teachers. And the 4-year integrated teachers education programs, IT Parishe, Siam the Thunalakadobni, Atopa states already Hogre, Narang Akwegi National Council for Teacher Education, Eastern Resonance Zone Gaku meeting around Togjabani. Every month, NCT through the Eastern Regional Center, Bhubaneswar, head office line, Eastern Zone, I should nominated member on Yaujabani. Anna, teacher education have a profession like medical, agriculture, engineering, law level, teachers should be a profession in a lagadova. High quality level was Putopa, Sweden Yarnev. 2030 Matung the 4-year integrated course program, MHC Luidregadi, was out over Yarrow up to the secondary level. And I see I'm not concerned with the state Kishan concerned with the Yamna Tuna Hana labor, BEd, MH system, she get Iroina. 4-year integrated course programs, Yamna Honanabi Atuda, a quickie permission Amalawada way, Manipur and Nagaland is whole permission Pangrevo. Atoba is saying low in Loire, and now it is time to start. She Yamna Tunamasi Honanabi Panam, Lakodaka way, level poverty very recently. A quay Manipurgi, Han and Lariba, government of Manipur University teacher education, plus DM College teacher education, Siki Matakta, Anoba College, Manga Amaga, government college, Manga Amaga. Upgraded Togdoreb, Hangukadoreb, and there are many potentials. Was out Webagi Shikin from the Lanabagi room, Mayama, Dakaway, India, you and the youngest who Manipuri on the youngest who, Norristan, you and the youngest who call him, must sing whatever, was I'm saying what in terms of larks and larkstock. And must see, I'm not important over Iriamo around them. Multidisciplinary education under research universities, Merus, is part with IITs, IIMs are going to be set up as models of best disciplinary education of global standards in the country. Hani akoina khanariba phare haina khanariba IITs IIMs ki model da anauba da haragana Niger gi model da hojiksi anauba policy program amuk loina higher education sida research ka mari lena area sing hen sakona bagi global gi standard da langna bagi hogi yam thuna government gi policy likatuna hogi anauba education policy siga iron sangsil relief. Under NEP 2020, the National Research Foundation will be created as an apex body for fostering and strengthening a strong research culture and building research capacity across the country. Undertaking a PhD shall require either master's degree, master lorika sangbasuyai, natraga BSc kakta oiba 4th year in degree she, adi BSc plus research yaurgadi direct PhD sangba yagadoreb. Hani atopa country khredadi MSc tamna deba BSc dei direct undergraduate direct sangba yabla adugi system du ko India isu hogi lakwa hogdoreb. Ai kitang sanjage in higher education sector under a common regulatory regime, National Higher Education Regulatory Authority and Higher Education Grants Commission will be established very soon. General Education Council, National Higher Education Qualification Framework and the National Committee for Integration of Vocational Education, etc. will also be established. Yamna thuna koigi aigi esteemed colleague Professor Ibuholna yamna phajaba akoi vocational ga mari lenaba skill development ga mari lenaba entrepreneurship ga mari lenaba education policy ga matangda aigi colleague oja Professor Ibuholna yamna phajana aigi hek mathang sida PB lagani. Open and distance learning like massive open online courses MOOCs will be expanded to play a significant role in increasing GRE. And sigi through da koina maching hena koigi satra singsi enroll to yana policy da open year distance education program te hawdona ba Manipur University ki su policy program sem hore. The National Education Technology Forum, which is an autonomous body, will be created to provide a platform for the free exchange of ideas on the uses of technology to improve or enhance classroom process, support teacher professional development, enhance educational access for disadvantaged groups, and streaming educational planning, administration, and management. Under NEP 2020, Indian Institute of Translation and Interpretation to be established to ensure the preservation, growth, and vibrancy of all Indian languages, including classical, tribal, and endangered languages. And Manipur ki context su language policy akoi leibasi mat khahen chakol madaka oi maruena akoi NTM National Translation Mission Mysore gi si ai samuk su yaujai translation gi mission akoi scientific terminology me am sing si masi Manipur da handok na bagi masi akoi many times Mysore su akoi khana ma lai gai ai samuk su matang kya da yaujai gi sigi mari lena translation ki matang sida. All professional education will be integral part of higher education system. Stand-alone technical universities, health science universities, legal and agriculture universities, etc. will aim to become multidisciplinary institutions. Akoi Manipur University da tamba chhatra amana akoi agriculture Central Agriculture University ko oibai NIT ko oibai to institute mam si my credit Swiss-based credit system through the order to distance learning mortgage orders my credit pujaraga so na hang mag prekha haido ko hapsi me jar ka durebo ano yam liberal oreba angang singda man pamjaba liberal arts sida mathematics ka philosophy ke pun me jar ka dureb samna harabada matam amada homi jahangir baba sina karigumba magi subject physics ma ahmed engineering to mari adi ko physics onde ke bani matam dur ma se apa lai ek pan nupa ma oiheba homi jahangir baba कोई बाबा तो मेरे सेंटर का त्या भाग लेकर कर बसी मागी पेंटिंग से लंदन की एग्जीबिशन दा पुथोको मतमना लिनार्डो दा विंची का मोय पैरेलल ओइन सली गा मदि कमेंट मयाम म लय को अदन ngасai मतम दि सिगी लिबरल आर्ट लेरम दबनी ना माना आर्ट टू लौगी दे अदुबो मा tripos fungi engineering section da ko adugi matuna ko na physics ki lecture ma taru de inspire to with engineering section si thado ka oi physics kano physics tam ge ne bo aduga magi yamna phajaba cosmetic ki kari mayama no lei gre ba ko aduna magi contribution jam sawi anyway public and private higher education institutions excluding medical part and legal education will be governed by the same set of norms of regulation, accreditation and academic standards which will be under control of Higher Education Commission of India HECSI to be set up very soon under this new education policy 2020. Affiliation of colleges is to be phased out in 15 years. However, more than 100 colleges are affiliated to Manipur University. Manipur University we affiliate to riba college mayam sing including Barang College yauna laiba mayam sing phase out to raneba university ki makha da laiba yararoiba masa masi autonomous college we go the orienting college laiba mana oirena bi panam thamga doni natraga punsil laga cluster on semaga ama semgi ba or natraga university amagi makha da tangai phada ba khara budi adum affiliation tawne adu yari makhedi tapna sum phase out tawraga masa na independently autonomous oiba digi pi bangamba aduguma syllabus semangamba aduma college oiga dawni habigi policy si oi Indian education policy makha da yauri an yamna thuna koi masi isana isabu autonomous oina freedom oina langna na bagi masa ko ne yang pana lagi masa mangsu pambigi ba under this new education policy 2020 the world's top 100 foreign universities will be facilitated to operate in India through a new law sinisima mayamama yaugre ko education policy da tension labadai sang samjin jarge hogi yam important oiribadi policy ji achuki matik yamna phajare super power oipa ngamna bge damakta family ba policy si da duki matik yamna phajare tawadabu masi implement successfully implement tawa ngamgadra ngamloida habisi ne big question namane and we have so many challenges mayama koi thengna ga doreba madu challenge mayam si thengna ga di akoina masi fulfill tabung ngamagadi India ki dream akoina ngasi mangliba super power in higher education sector da globally haiba wakalonji lakwa yabagi possibility lay and for addressing we need interdisciplinary integrated project based learning and problem solving skills in the line of global initiated academic network giant ski model ma akoi sangsin bagi tangai phadaba laigani haibo wafam singchi ai thamjage aduga yamna luribadi haugi akoina India ki systems da akoi ki faraba cream of the scientists mayam sing se brain den tawidona mapan gi develop country sing da loi ayam chat khreba India da seng harabada aduna akoi gi masi karmahin tor akoi gi phajil laga afa ba kok mayam sing se India gi soil le henga de ge policy program si thamong drgadi ko many of our cream people sing se mai saram da se loina musi mi gi oigre how in nasara chat lagi yengu European countries da American da saita South Korea da European loina musi yengu matam da India macha yaw da baleram loi marone even Manipuri macha su phanam yaw hrmane bari myam sing si aduna akoi gi si halakna bagi natra brain den tawna bagi policy program si policy phajaba si ke lakwa iroina na masi da phajilong na bagi policy thamda ba yarai China da hogi akoi gi India gi hogi phajana ri yam sengna research work to ba committed scholars 1.5 lakh mukta ne ba koi gi core researcher le si India da adu nakna China da di 8 to 10 lakhs le China da and masidi moidi akwai 8 to 10 times ki nearly hindokre and hanigi sigi graph yam important hoine si graph si and hanigi India ki education policy si sorry what kramale peram taw anyway sigi graph amatang aina uchali bse ai losin jarage sida picture basi graph se India si graph se ne bakoi si hane de koi India China si makha akoi ni am helme si bau si 1956 adwai orong ni si bau si akoi am helamba research ki sangwang mo si moina haigala sagrep se China se aduga sidana akoi na hage po ngam der si leising si adama si amna nai oba sigi graph amane ana moi de kamai to kido chaning ba jaga da prithvi ke kwai de forward institute technologies mayam sing saring ba jaga da noi chatlo ba madu ko sponsor tawgane ba adu ko bonam ine ba tawda ba noi halak da ba su ya ro after training you have to come back to China and work here aduga noina tamli ba mahi masing mayam tamli do khoi gi paisa tinga ga chali bani akoi gi younger generation si tab seran na widam kan halak tab yar hoisine anyway ai matam sang losil lage si iroi lo dai na pajaning si world class higher education oige have target there are many parameters na ki assessment na accreditation pyramid the parameter tere laiba thmaina world class ki ranking da yauge NIRF ranking da yauge have target we need so many parameters mayam duna si panjari basi adu matam si 10 minute ai si thamdero lai habdu na ucharage aduga renowned ranking university lege mayam sing si sangai gi model yanga gasu time de yanga gasu masida pirwa magi alumni gi role quality education ki role faculty ki role leadership oriba administrative ki role sin si mayam sing si koi upthana nai na ka oi research quality de kayam puthoi happiness si mayam sing si koi ni citation ki role masi mayam sing si koi nai na bayam na mathau tai aduna aine iroi loibada pijaning si conclusion part pijaning si the new education policy 2020 is a transformation step in the right direction on a number of fronts. However, any policy is only good as its implementation. Achieving successful implementation of this new education policy 2020 demands a long-term vision, availability of expertise on a sustainable basis, and concerted actions from all concerned actors, stakeholders encompassing national, state, institution, and individual levels. Many challenges are yet to be faced and then make the vision a reality. If we could do so, NEP 2020 will help transform India into a global education superpower as envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister. To conclude, we really need a truly excellent global university and colleges rooted in the local context but spreading its fragrance around the world like the lily rooted in its humdrum pond but spreading its beauty and fragrance all around far and wide. Thank you very much. Thank you.